In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get fonts on Squarespace. First things first, we're going to start by going to squarespace.com. This is where your journey begins. Once the web page is loaded, you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on Login to proceed. Now, Squarespace offers various methods to log in, but for ease and simplicity, we'll click on Continue with Google. This option allows you to use your Google account credentials, making the process smoother and faster. After clicking on Continue with Google, you might see a list of Google accounts. Choose the Google account you want to use with Squarespace. It's essential that you select the account associated with your Squarespace site to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, navigate your way to your website's main dashboard. You'll probably see your site's name and some options to choose from. Click on your website to access its settings and features. This step is crucial as it leads you directly to the customization part of your website where the magic happens. Next, we're moving on to tweaking your website style, specifically the fonts. Look for the option Style once you're in your website's dashboard. This is your gateway to the aesthetic elements of your site. Clicking Style will take you to a new page where you can begin to make changes to how your site looks and feels. Within the Style section, seek out the Fonts option. This is where Squarespace houses its font library, allowing you to customize your site's typography to match your brand or preference. Clicking on Fonts will display all available fonts, ranging from classic to modern styles, ensuring you find the perfect font to communicate your message. Now, take your time to browse through the selection and choose your font. Think about what vibe you're going for with your website. Are you aiming for something more professional? Or perhaps you want a more casual, informal look? Whatever your goal is, make sure the font aligns with your site's overall theme. After you've selected your desired font, don't forget the most crucial step: saving your changes. Look for the Save button, which should be prominently displayed at the top or bottom of the screen. Clicking Save will apply the font changes to your website. It's always a good idea to preview your site after saving to ensure everything looks exactly how you envisioned. And that's it. You've successfully updated the font on your Squarespace website. With just a few clicks, you've personalized your site even further. Remember, the beauty of Squarespace is its flexibility and ease of use, allowing you to make these sorts of changes whenever you need. Feel free to experiment with different fonts until you find the one that's just right. Thank you for following this guide on how to get fonts on Squarespace. We hope you found these instructions helpful. Don't hesitate to revisit any steps if you need to, and explore Squarespace further to discover even more ways to customize your site. Enjoy personalizing your website, and see you in the next tutorial.